Hi, everyone. This is Instructor Oliver, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the field of medical coding. Currently, in the United States, there is a need for certified medical coders, making medical coding an in-demand field. I stumbled onto this field over 20 years ago and can honestly say that I love what I do. It has been an interesting career choice that has offered me much knowledge and learning experiences. This field has allowed me to sharpen my knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy, physiology, and compliance throughout the years. I have had the pleasure to work in the hospital realm, physician practices, clinics, and in the outpatient sector, nursing homes, and even psychiatric inpatient and outpatient facilities, showing just how diverse a career in medical coding can be. The world of medical coding has opened many doors and avenues for me, just like I know it will do for you. So hang in there, enjoy the course and your journey into this wonderful and amazing field.